how to fix the "your device isn't compatible with this version" error on Android. This message usually appears when you're trying to install an app from the Google Play Store. Let me show you a few simple fixes that can help. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on Android. Scroll down and tap Software Update, then tap Download and Install. If a software update is available, install it and restart your phone. Next, go back to Settings, then tap Apps. Scroll down and select Google Play Store. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If the issue still isn't fixed, you can also tap Clear Data, then Confirm. Now, go back to the Apps list and open Google Play Services. Tap Storage, then select Clear Cache. This can help resolve Play Store compatibility issues. Finally, reopen the Google Play Store and try installing the app again. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix the "your device isn't compatible with this version" error on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.